Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect WordPress to Omnisend. All right, so first up, log into your Omnisend account. Now go to Apps right here at the top. Click on it. Now just go and use the search bar and type down WordPress. Okay, click on it. Wait for it to load. And in here, just got to click on this button that says Connect Now. Click on it. Now, once that's done, if you have the upgraded version of Omnisend, it will just ask you to connect your WordPress account. Now, if it doesn't ask you, don't worry. You can go ahead and scroll down right here and click on Go to Account Management. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go to Stores in this panel. Now, click on Add New Store. Give it a name, for example, WordPress, and then the exact website name, for example, Answer ASAP. Like so. Store website, go ahead and enter the address right here, and then online store platform, make sure to select WordPress without WooCommerce. Okay, just click on it. Now go ahead and add in your business address, select the country, add in the time zone if it doesn't detect automatically, and then click on Add Store. And once that's done, as you can see here, it's now added. You can click on it or just click on Access right here, and you will be landed to the WordPress store or WordPress store section. So what you'll do is just click on Connect Your Store right here. Scroll all the way down and you'll find WordPress. Okay, and once that's done, as you can see here, it says, with this integration, you can automatically import all of your WordPress contacts to Omnisend, segment and target your customers, personalize emails with your brand assets and products, and set up behavior-based automation. Now, to finally connect it, click on Install right here. It will open up another tab, which is a WordPress tab. Okay, just click on Download. Okay, and do take note, if you use WooCommerce to sell stuff online, you can click on this link right here, or you can go ahead and check a video on our channel. We have a step-by-step guide on how to connect WooCommerce to your Omnisend account. Okay, so in here, just click on Download and save it wherever you want under your PC. Click on Save. Wait for it. And then once that's done, click on the zip file or open up the folder. Like so. Right click and extract. Okay. Double click on Omnisend and here you have it. All right. If you want to use it locally, you can go ahead and use these files right here. But if not, you can go back to the Omnisend WordPress integration page and click on Copy API Key. And once done, go to WordPress.com. Wait for it. And then once it loads, go ahead over to plugins right here. Now in here, just gotta find Omnisend. There you go. Now select from one of these apps. If you'd like to use WooCommerce, just click on this option. If not, use a newsletter email marketing right here, SMS and pop-ups. Click on it and just click on Install or Get. And after that, it will be installed right here. Okay, you can go ahead and click on Omnisend. Now, as you might have remembered, you were given an API key right here. Just copy it again. Now, go back to the installation process right here under WordPress. Paste the copied API code. And then once done, follow simple prompts. After that, you can now go ahead and check the API connection right here. And you should have a green pop-up right here that says the connection is now updated or available. That is it. That is how you connect WordPress to Omnisend. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.